this channel. So today I'm here right now at Ocean Park and celebrating the Cebu Chamber of Commerce Industry Christmas Fellowship, and I'm super happy because I was excited. I was invited here, and yeah, there are presentations, raffle draws, and first time na nakapag-ano ako sa Cebu Chamber of Commerce Industry Christmas Fellowship. So I'm super blessed, and first time ko rin nagpunta ng Ocean Park. So yeah, nakakita na ako doon kasi merong mga ano mantari sa Moana. Super. So balik na ako sa
We welcome all. Now each set of boys Cebu Chamber of Commerce and Industries. The parties seek to share their respective strengths, experiences, technologies, networks, and resources, including human, in-kind, and monetary, in order to achieve these goals. It is expected that by the end of this activity, once again, this is CCCI, Balamban Chapter, Cordova Chapter, and the City of Naga.
So congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the 7 new members of Cebu Chamber of Commerce. Let's give them a round of applause.